What's up, everybody? Welcome to Pete Shop Makes. I'm your host, Pete. And today, quick little video for you. Just a simple little business card holder. And it dispenses business cards like nobody's business, except for mine. I just received my new business cards in the mail. They're made of real wood veneer, and about 5 different species come from this company called Cards of Wood. And so, because they are made of wood, I'm a little bit weary of just sticking them in my wallet. I'm afraid they might crack or split, so I'm going to be making a business card holder. Not really sure. I might make it out of some walnut scrap that I have or some wenge. Either one. They're both decent hardwood, so they should be pretty nice when they're finished. So right now I'm going to go ahead and square up my scrap pieces to a little bit bigger than the cards themselves, and then we'll carry on with the rest of splitting them over at the bandsaw. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that I got these planed down to the size that I want, the wenge is just a hair thicker than a 1/4 inch, which is exactly what I want because this is going to make up the sides and the bottom and the lid of my case. So now I'm just going to go back to the bandsaw and split the walnut into 3 sections. So once you have your pieces all cut, I'm just going to go ahead and glue them like this with the wenge protruding just a little bit past the walnut, just so I can sand it flush later. Now we just let that sit. Alright, I apologize. I forgot to turn the camera on for the last part, but I got the bottom and the sides all put on. Had a little blowout when drilling the hole for the magnet, but sealed it up decently with some CA glue, and that'll all sand off once that's all done. Now, if I had measured correctly, well, I measured correctly, but I didn't account for the thickness of the bottom piece, so it pushed the business card up just a hair and into my lid. So I had to cut this little notch out in the lid, and I'll sand all that out. I just drilled it all out and then chiseled out the remainder of the inside, and then now I'm going to finish drilling this little hole. It's not quite deep enough for the other magnet catch, so I'm going to go ahead and finish drilling this hole now. Okay, so we got it glued in there. It works magically. Now I just have to drill a very small hole over here for the hinge, and I'm going to leave this protruding out so you can just flip it open like so. always the finish. Business card, anyone? Spring loaded. There you have it. One Wenge and walnut. That's not easy to say. Wenge and walnut. Business card order. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching.